Hi, my name is Con. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm at Elk Island National Park. I have the GoPro 8 Hero Edition with me and I'm going to test drive it, see how it compares to my cell phone camera. Thanks to my sister-in-law to borrow it for me for a couple days so I can actually try out some extremely good camera here. So yeah, let's go and explore this area a little bit and let's see. Okay guys, you see a herd of bison over there, so don't do what I'm doing, getting out of the car. They can be pretty dangerous and if they charge on you, but right now I'm about 100 meters away from them. And also watch out for bison poop. I just stepped into one. Great. Have to wash my shoes later. But yeah, lots of bisons here in Elk Island. I hope the sound is good with this GoPro 8. Look. It's very quiet today. Nobody here, but this place is packed on the weekend. So as you can see, the leaves are turning, so we're getting rainbow color out of it. Green, yellow to red. This is Waterton Lake. The island over there is called Elk Island, named after the national park, or the national park is named after that island. This is the place where I often come to relax, to unwind. So we arrived here at the beach area. Usually here you can rent some canoes, but it seems like they're closed already for the season. Okay, the pier here is new. The sandy beach. Let's try to go here on the dock. It's just peaceful out here. Nice fall color. It's not quite there yet, maybe another 2 weeks and this will be super colorful. Lots of ducks on the lake. Beautiful day today. Yes, I'm at Ashton Lake at Elk Island, and it's just gorgeous day. So stunning view, calm wind. Just an awesome day to enjoy and relax. Not many people here right now, probably everybody at work, and I don't know why I'm bringing the mask, because there's nobody here. So yes, this is Elk Island National Park, and I'm test driving the new GoPro 8 Hero Black Edition. See how stable that is compared to my cell phone camera with the gimbal. This, I'm just holding it in my hand right now and walking. So I hope the video is okay. Let's explore this area furthermore. Every year around this time they have that dark sky event at night. There are usually hundreds of people coming here with their telescope, and they're all joining to watch the stars and sometimes northern lights. And around September here they call it the dark sky event. We don't have too much light pollution out here, and you see the Milky Way. Hi guys, today, as you can see, this is the GoPro 8 Hero Black Edition that I just borrowed for a week. So most of the footage in this video is shot with this one. Just hold in my hand, no selfie stick or gimbal, and see how steady the shot is. Right now I'm holding my cell phone camera to record this clip, and you can see it's a little bit shaky because I forgot my gimbal today. But this is the GoPro 8. Very pricey camera, but it gives you extremely good result, even just holding in your hand like this and recording. So let's see how good it is, and if that's really worth the money. I think it's worth the money because this is the only thing you need. It's very tiny. You can put it in your pocket, you walk around, when you need it you get it out and shoot it, and it gives you awesome result. Even walking and running, it's very stable. Test running up the stairs. How's the video look like? This is the first time I have Elk Island for myself. There's nobody here today. It's just, if a bison attacks me, nobody knows. I'm helpless. But yeah, this is usually there are lots of people here. But today it seems like nobody's here. Oh, the wind is picking up. Maybe this way is better to hold. So yep, I'm the only one here at Elk Island National Park. Nobody else is here. Easy to social distance. This park is usually full of people, but it's a good thing I came here on a Thursday noon. So right now I'm just holding this camera in my hand. No selfie stick, no gimbal, because I just borrowed this camera to shoot and test it. I hope this gives me a better result than the cell phone camera with the gimbal. So yeah, beautiful Elk Island National Park. I'll switch you around. Need some tiny pieces to start the fire. Good. So let's make some today. Okay. So I'll show you guys how to start a fire. put some wood, build it like a teepee. Put some I use from the linen from the dryer at the bottom. I will light it on and it will hopefully burn. Let's get the lighter. Okay, let's see. Yes, it burns. So yep, soon I will have lunch. So I brought some German bratwurst, put some curry powder on top, so this will have some, will taste like currywurst in Germany. Just waiting for the fire to get going and I'm going to roast those. My lunch today. Okay guys, the battery of the GoPro is going to die soon. I have maybe 10% left, so I'm going to enjoy my lunch, and I hope you like the video. Please subscribe, give me a comment, because comment is the only thing that pushes the video up. Like doesn't work. I just checked my analytics, so the more you guys comment on my video, the better it will be pushed up in the search. That's what I found out. So yeah, please subscribe and leave me a comment how you like this video. And here's my lunch, and see you in my next video. So good. Just onion and ketchup with curry. The best thing you can eat with bratwurst.